Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your BMW 1 Series key battery. This is a simple task that you can easily do yourself in just a few minutes. You will need a new CR2032 3-volt coin battery, which is readily available at most stores. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool to help open the key fob. To begin, locate the small release tab on the side of your key fob and press it to slide out the mechanical key. This action reveals a small slot or gap. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing, being careful not to damage the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old coin battery nestled in its compartment. Gently lift it out, perhaps using your screwdriver if it's snug. Take your new CR2032 3-volt battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, slide the mechanical key back into its slot. Test your key fob by locking and unlocking your BMW 1 Series to confirm everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.